Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to block the internet for any specific application on Windows 11, and you can follow these steps in other Windows like 10, 7 or 8, but I'm going to show you in Windows 11. So let me show you. I want to block the internet connection on the Google Chrome. So let me show you. As of now it is working fine here. So in order to block the internet connection on the Google Chrome, I need to press Windows plus R button, and you can search the run command here simply, and we need to type here firewall.cpl. You can search the firewall and network here, but I have just searched with the Windows plus R. So once you search that, we need to look for this option, advanced settings, and thereafter you should able to see the rules here. So we can create the inbound rule here. Just click on this option and create a new rule. Okay, and once you create new rule, we need to select here the program. Click on next, and the path of the Google Chrome or any application which you want to block. Let me right click on the application and go to its file location, and from here if exe is not showing up, click on view and click on show name extension. Okay, once you right click on it, the exe, copy the path, or you can directly copy from here and then write the chrome.exe manually. So let me paste it here. You need to remove the inverted comma from start and end both. Now click on next and click on block the connection here. It should be automatically checked, but tick this option. For domain private network all, name it Google Chrome internet block. Next, and now the rule has been created here, as you can see. So let me now go to the same location and see if the internet is working or not. It will open, but internet will not work. It should not work. See here, you can see here guys, stop, internet has stopped working for any specific application. And if I open the Firefox, the internet should work fine. So this is how guys, let me show you the Firefox. This is a way to block the internet on any specific application. Firefox is working fine, but you can see here internet has been blocked, the error code, and Firefox is working fine. So this is how guys you can block any specific internet connection on apps. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.